everybody.
Merry Christmas! Welcome back to Baking with Girl Power.
It is Elyza Hart and Maci here, back with Baking with Girl Power, and today we are going to be making Rice Krispie treats, and then we're going to be decorating them, and we have to cut them out with cookie cutters. So let's go ahead over to the stove. So first things first, we have to turn on this stove. So you're going to push it in, hit light until it lights, and then you're going to turn it on to low. So nothing burns.
And then you're going to melt the butter, which is going to be about 3 tablespoons. So
there we go. And we have to melt it, and then I'm going to move it around. I'm sorry to make sure it doesn't.
okay, so we're adding the Rice Krispies to the marshmallows, and Elyza has to keep stirring so that it won't burn. And then we're going to put it over here so we can do the second batch. Oh, well, a second, like half of it.
Very, very hard to stir. You want to make sure you get all the marshmallow up.
And then once we're done stirring this one, we'll add, Elyza will add this one.
Switch.
Oh, this is really hard to start, you're right. And then you do everything.
And then stirring so it doesn't burn. So now we have to scrape it out of the pan, which this is going to be hard, and then I have to flatten it out.
And then we'll get it ready to be decorated.
And we have to flip this onto the pie. Is it almost done? So now we have to flatten it out, and you have to do the cookie cut. Like when you do the cookie cutters, you have to make sure it's warm when you do it. And we just gotta really flatten it out. Then we set that there. And then we have to flip it over onto the thing.
And then
We have to get lots of stuff to start cookie cutting.
so we're lining these up so we can fit the most that we can onto this first batch. And then we're going to make the second batch and do it the same thing. And then we're going to push them down, and then we're going to let them cool and do the second batch.
You need more cookie cutters, and you need to try to line them up the best you can with them, and sort of push them in and get them really close together. And then hopefully we can fit all of these in, and then the candy cane can go right there. Now it's time to push them in, so start pushing. So we have to take this outer edge out, and we don't want to take any of the Rice Krispie treats that are in the cookie cutter, so we have to be very careful. And when we use this candy cane, and the candy cane is very delicate, and the Rice Krispie treats are so good. You have to get inside them and around them, and then you can eat the outer edge. And you gotta make sure they're down all the way.
Okay, so we are done with the shapes. So what we're gonna do with our extras is what Elyza's doing right now. We're making snowman.
I'm busy making my snowman. Your snowman's head is falling off.
You make little balls and put them, stack them, and there's like 3 layers for each.
So do you think it's gonna snow this winter? I mean,
Maybe.
it's not that cold out.
I mean, everybody's saying that it might snow.
Yeah, and
it
then
did
it did
flicker
feel
a
like
little last time.
now it's time to start icing.
So I'm gonna start the stocking with red. And Elyza, what are you doing?
I'm going to start my reindeer. And we have special tubes to ice this, so it helps. It's very bumpy when you ice Rice Krispie treats.
Okay, so I already did the stocking, which is red, and then we're gonna decorate it after. Then I did the white snowman, which we're gonna decorate later. Then I did the brown, and now I'm finishing up the brown gingerbread man. Oh my goodness.
So I am working on a snowflake, and I started making it green and blue. And I'm going to add like red and gold sprinkles to it and like glitter to it. So mine, now I'm going to sprinkle edible glitter on it very lightly so it shines and sparkles. And then I also need a little bit of red. And then that's it. I'm done with my snowflake.
Okay, so I'm doing my stocking to show you guys. So I'm going to put the fake glitter on first, the edible glitter. And then I'm gonna put, sprinkle this extra stuff on over here. And then, like this. And then after that, I'm gonna use this, and then I'm gonna use this, and then that's it.
And we're done with the fun. So I made David Little Snowman, I say, and this is supposed to be me, my dad, my mom, and then there are some other Krispie treats.
And then these are my Rice Krispie treats, and then I made this snowman and this weird looking thing, and as long as I can eat it, I'm happy with it.
So make sure to like and subscribe to this video, and make sure to leave a comment down below of how our cookies look. And our channel is Baking with Girl Power. Bye!